There we go. Magnesium phosphate. So you need to go onto your periodic table and look up magnesium. What is the symbol for magnesium? Mg. And it is in column number 2. So what is its charge? Positive 2. And if you have trouble remembering that, remember you can always request a periodic table that has the charges on it. Phosphate. When you see the ending 8, where do you look? You look on your pink sheet. What is the formula for phosphate? Go look it up. Tell your partner. Phosphate. PO4. And what is its charge? 3 negative. Okay. Now remember, we need to make the total positive equal the total negative. And one of the simplest ways to do that is to say, where do I not have enough charge, and add another ion to that side. So where do I not have enough charge, the positive side or the negative side? Positive side. So let's add another magnesium, because now that gives me 4+. But over on my right-hand side, how much do I have? 3-. So now which side does not have enough? The minus side. So let's add another one. PO4, 3-. So we no longer have 3-. Now we have 6-. And over on our right-hand side, uh-oh, now we don't have enough positive. So what do? Add one more positive, which now gives us 6 positive. And look, these are the same, which is exactly what we wanted. And so that means we have Mg. What subscript will we use? 3. These particular notes aren't on any page. Okay, I'll just print it out. Yeah. And then PO4, where is the PO4 go? Right to the side. PO4. What do I have to do with the PO4? I have to put it in brackets, and I have to put a 2. Okay? So hopefully that's a good reminder for those of you who have not yet written quiz 7 of how you do writing formulas for ionic compounds. Quiz 8, you're going to have to do this kind of formula writing, plus we're going to add on, and this is on page 73. Whoa, what happened there? We're also going to have, for quiz 8, writing covalent formulas. These are like the easiest thing to do, easiest, because the prefix simply tells you how many atoms. The prefixes tell you how many atoms. Prefixes do what? They tell you how many atoms. So if you see a di means 2. So you're going to have N with a 2. If you see pent means 5. So you're going to have O with a 5. Carbon tetrachloride, if there is no prefix, that means there's just 1. Yes? So if there's just 1, it's just a C, and there's no subscript. Tetra means 4, and then we have chloride, so that's going to be Cl with a little 4. How do we know that we have a covalent compound or a molecular compound? Yeah, it's just two nonmetals. Okay, so one, it's just two nonmetals. Remember, not NH4 something, okay? And secondly, you'll see prefixes. Okay? So for quiz number 8, if that's what you're working on, you can try these exercises just to get you going, but then, why don't I have 4.4D? Oh, well, that's okay. 4.4D is just going to be mixed formula writing, not extra practice. And you can work on that one. That would be page 74. Okay, so page 73, page 74 will get you ready for quiz 8. Let me write that up here. Yes. What's that? The stuff that we did just now is quiz 8. Lots of people have actually finished quiz 7. I think you've finished quiz 7. Okay. If you have not finished quiz 7, your name will be up here. Also, if you haven't finished quizzes before quiz 7, your name is up here, so that tells you what you need to get caught up on. When is our test for this unit? Our test, let's write it up on the board here, it's going to be next Tuesday. And it's quizzes 1 to 8 all mixed together. Okay? Okie dokie, so you are really looking to get finished your quizzes today and tomorrow. So if you're a little bit behind, make sure if you're stuck on something that you call me over. You are my top priority. Anyone who's on this board is my top priority for getting help. So the rest of you, if you have to wait a little bit longer to get your quizzes marked, that's okay. You'll be fine, okay? I'm going to print out those notes we just wrote for whoever wants them. Who would like a copy of those notes that we just took? Yes, yes. Anyone else want a copy? 3, 4. Anyone else want a copy of those notes we just took? Okay, so I will start with that, and then I'm going to go grab the review stuff, but you are just looking for the review book? Okay, so what you're going to do you see those yellow textbooks on the back shelf? You're going to grab that pages 75 and 76. Okay. Yes, you sure can.